What's going on, you guys? This is MXKD. I have another Dell Precision T3500. This can be a Disassembly Teardown. Show you how to do that. So you remove the side cover panel. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the front cover basil. So to do that, there's a clip, you press it up and this lifts like this, slides up. Disconnect the SATA and power from the optical drive. Now I'm remove the hard drive. And these little tabs, you lift them up like this. And you can remove. Now I'm going to go ahead and start off with this one screw here in the middle. So you need a Phillips head screwdriver, but you probably need a longer one. Otherwise, the shorter one probably would not reach for that right here to remove the screw here for the fence route. So you need a longer one. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the CPU cooler, the heatsink. Now you're going to get a paper towel and wipe down the old thermal compound from the CPU before you remove it. I'm going to slide this to like this so I can remove the French route. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the memory. To remove the video card, there's a little secure clip right here in the corner. If you can't, so you have to use like this. And you have to press down with your finger right here, gently press it down to release the lock before you pull out the video card. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the 4 screws from the power supply. Now I'm going to go ahead and So there's a clip right in the bottom, the top, with the plug for the power supply. And to remove it, you have to press on the bottom one to release the lock. And there's another clip right here, you have to press it down so the power supply will slide to the right. Remove the SATA cables. I'm going to lift this up, and okay, so you're going to remove the PCI brackets first. I'm going to lift it up like this so you guys can see better. And remove the 24 pin. And it's got a secure clip there you have to press on in the middle. Now I'm going to lay it down. Here's the 8-pin for the CPU power. And I'm going to start from the bottom. I'm going to start removing the screws from the motherboard. And so I have to get extend my screwdriver. There's a screw here in the bottom right right here that you have to remove another screw right here for the motherboard. One on the right here, there's another screw here in the corner. And one in the left corner, there's another screw. Now gently I'm going to go ahead and try to pull the motherboard. Make sure check everything's disconnected. All the wires. You have to bend this right here to lift up the motherboard like that. It's fine. So here's the motherboard. And I'm just gonna go be the front. I'm gonna go to front, be the last part. There's right here with the front with the USB and audio. It's held by that one screw. The panel. It comes out. Here where the USB is supposed to stick right in the right corner where the USB ports. And if you want to remove the wires, then what you have to do is use a cable to just cut those wire ties here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like five wire ties to remove the wires if you want to do that. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.